Now that we have integrated QBDocs with QuickBooks, in order to printer checks, vouchers, receipts, and journal vouchers, we have to configure some of the settings in QBDocs. As you can see, when QBDocs is integrated with QuickBooks, company file and accounts has been synced to QBDocs. Now fill up the currency notes field and currency coins, the type of the currency used by the bank account. Select each type of templates for the relevant account. You can use these templates or use your own templates by copying and modifying templates from template list. You can select all the check template from the check template column, payment vouchers in the PV column, bill payment vouchers in the BPV column, receipts from the RV column. JV template drop-down selects template for journal voucher. P voucher column holds the auto-incremented number for both payment voucher and bill payment voucher. R voucher column holds the auto-incremented number for receipts. There is an option that if you only need to print voucher without printing a check, you need to select Not Needed, from the check template drop-down. Fill up these fields with names for prepared, checked, approved, and authorized. It's mandatory to fill these fields, but if you want you can keep the received field blank. If you want to modify any of your template, just copy the default template and go to Edit to start designing the way you want. You can copy, edit, and rename it with any name you want. If you need further modification to your template, select the template and click Edit button on the top. It will take you to the template designer. Here you can drag-drop design elements. The field list can grab the data from QuickBooks and input into the template you want. Now save changes. You can preview any changes from the print preview, also set page margins, page size, and other printing preferences.